Every other lord has weapons. Krishna has no weapons. Every other lord has a wife or children. Shiva has a wife and children. And Ram has a wife and children. Narayan has a wife. Doesn't have any children, Vaikuntha. And he has so much responsibilities. Narayan is in everybody's heart. And he's also on the Mahavaikuntha in the material world. And he's also on his own planet. And he's busy maintaining everything. Krishna's like, gets up when he wants, sleeps when he wants, eats when he wants, says whatever he wants. He's the most unique form of Bhagavan. He has no wife, no children, no responsibilities, nothing. He can go in and out of the house anytime. He goes out every night at 10 o'clock, comes back every morning at 6 a.m. No one says anything. He just plays. All he does is play. That's why he's Leela Purushottam. It's the most extraordinary thing.